Hey future doctors, this is Dr. Sharun and welcome to NEET Buddy, where I am providing you with chapter-wise MCQs for the upcoming NEET exam under the series NEET 2025 Test Yourself, and the chapter we are covering today is Plan Growth and Development. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Formation of interfascicular cambium from parenchymal cells is an example of option A. Differentiation, B. Dedifferentiation, C. Redifferentiation, or D. Undifferentiation. Formation of interfascicular cambium from parenchymal cells is an example of. The correct answer is option B, that is dedifferentiation. Question 2. The phenomenon of heterophyly in plants is an example of option A. Plasticity, option B. Elasticity, option C. Flexicity, or option D. Rexicity. The phenomenon of heterophyly in plants is an example of. The correct answer is option A, that is plasticity. Question 3. Oxen was isolated first by Charles Darwin, B. E. Corosana, C. F. W. Wendt, or D. F. Skog. Oxen was isolated for the first time by. The correct answer is option C, that is F. W. Wendt. Question 4. Which of the following is used as herbicide? Option A. Oxen. Option B. Gibberellin. Option C. Cytokinin, or option D. Ethylene. 4 plant hormones have been given. Which of these is used as herbicide? The correct answer is option A, oxen. 24D, it is a synthetic oxen which is used as a herbicide. What does D stand for? 24D stands for 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. It is used as a herbicide. Question 5. Which of the following is not a function of auxin? Following 4 statements are there. Out of these, one is not the function of auxin. Option A. Initiating rooting in stem cuttings. Option B. Promoting flowering. Option C. Abscission of leaves and fruits of all ages. Or option D. Herbicidal action. Which of the following is not a function of auxin? The correct answer is option C. Abscission of leaves and fruits of all ages. This is not a function of auxin, though abscission of leaf and fruits of old age is function of auxin, but it prevents abscission of younger fruits and leaves. So the statement actually is incorrect. It's not of all ages, but of old ages, right? So abscission of leaf and fruit of all ages is incorrect. Question 6. Hormone that delays senescence is option A. Auxin, option B. Ethylene, option C. Gibberellin, option D. ABA. Hormone that delays senescence is. The correct answer is option C, that is gibberellins delay the senescence. Question 7. Malting process is promoted by option A. Gibberellin, option B. ABA, option C. Auxin, or option D. Ethylene. Malting process is promoted by. Correct answer is option A. Gibberellins promote the malting process. Question 8. Plant hormone that has actions antagonistic to auxins. Option A. Gibberellins. Option B. ABA, that is abscisic acid. Option C. Ethylene. Option D. Cytokinin. Plant hormone that has action antagonistic to auxin is. Correct answer is option D, that is cytokinin. Question 9. Plant hormones that has actions antagonistic to gibberellins is option A. Ethylene, option B. Abscisic acid, option C. Auxin, or option D. Cytokinin. Plant hormone that has action antagonistic to gibberellin. What does antagonistic means? It means opposite. That means whatever gibberellin was carrying out, this hormone would carry out actions that is opposite to that of gibberellin. Answer is option B, that is abscisic acid. The actions of abscisic acid is antagonistic to gibberellin. Question 10. Stress hormone of plant is ethylene, abscisic acid, auxin, or cytokinin. Ethylene, abscisic acid, auxin, cytokinin. Stress hormone of plant is. The correct answer is option B, that is abscisic acid acts as the stress hormone of plants. Question number 11. Through their effect on plant growth regulators, what do temperature and light control in plants? Flowering, closure of stomata, fruit elongation, apical dominance. Through their effect on plant growth regulators, what do temperature and light control in plants? The correct answer is option A. They control the process of flowering. Question number 12. One of the commonly used plant growth hormone in tea plantations is abscisic acid, zeatin, indole 3-acetic acid, or ethylene. Commonly used plant growth hormone in tea plantation is. The correct answer is option C. Indole 3-acetic acid. Question 13. Root development is promoted by auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, abscisic acid. Root development is promoted by. The correct answer is option A, that is auxin. Question number 14. One of the synthetic auxin is IAA, GA, IBA, NAA. Synthetic auxin is. The correct answer is option D. NAA is a synthetic auxin. Question number 15. Photoperiodism was first characterized in tobacco, potato, tomato, or cotton. Photoperiodism was first characterized in. The correct answer is option A. It was first characterized in tobaccos. Most of the plant's auxin is produced in leaves, lateral bud, shoot apex, root apical meristem. Most of the plant's auxin is produced in. Correct answer is option C, that is shoot apex. Seedless fruit can be produced by treating a plant with enzymes, auxins, cytokinin, vitamin. Seedless fruit can be produced by treating a plant with. Correct answer is option B, auxins. Gibberellin is helpful in elongation of plants, inducing dwarfism, fat hydrolysis, protein synthesis. Gibberellin is helpful in. Correct answer is option A, that is elongation of plants. Avena coleoptile test detects presence of IAA, GA, NAA, BA. Avena coleoptile test detects presence of. Correct answer is option A, IAA or indole 3-acetic acid or auxin. Abscisic acid treatment results in leaf expansion, stem elongation, stomatal closure, root elongation. Abscisic acid treatment results in. The correct answer is option C, that is stomatal closure. Phytochrome is found in algae, fungus, vascular cryptogams, flowering plants. Phytochrome is found in. Correct answer is option D, flowering plants. Which hormone is used to produce bolting in beet? IAA, kinin, GA2 or 2,4-D. Hormone used to produce bolting in beet. The correct answer is option C, that is gibberellic acid. What does bolting refer to? It refers to internode elongation just prior to flowering and occurs in beet. It is carried out by spraying of GAs. Opening and closing movement of leaves is associated with tactic movement, tropic movement, turgidity, auto-induced. Opening and closing of the leaves is associated with. Correct answer is option A, tactic movement. Vernalization is option A, growth curve in response to light. Option B, recurrence of day and night. Option C, effect of day length on plant growth. Option D, acceleration of ability of flowering by low temperature treatment. Correct answer is option D. Effect of length of day on flowering is called phototropism, photoperiodism, photorespiration, photooxidation. Effect of length of day on flowering is called. Correct answer is option B, that is photoperiodism. Which of the following hormone is known as the stress hormone? Gibberellin, kinetin, auxin, abscisic acid. Stress hormone of plants. Correct answer is option D, abscisic acid. Which one of the following is naturally occurring growth inhibitor? Naturally occurring growth inhibitor. IAA, ABA, NAA or GA3. Naturally occurring growth inhibitor. Correct answer is option B, that is abscisic acid. Which one of the following is not a naturally occurring hormone in plants? 2,4-D, GA, gibberellin, IAA. Which of the following is not a naturally occurring plant hormone? Correct answer is option A, 2,4-D. Phototropism in shoot is attributed to auxins, gibberellins, cytokinin, abscisic acid. Correct answer is option A, auxin. A plant that needs not less than 10 hours of light to flower is long day plant, short day plant, day neutral plant, or none of these. Not less than 10 hours of light to flower. The correct answer is option A, that is a long day plant.
So those are the MCQs for today. I really hope you're finding the entire series helpful. If you are, you know the drill. Go and share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants. Help us reach as many people as possible, as many NEET aspirants as possible, so we can help them as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Now we have finished the entire 11th NCERT biology. Human physiology had already been covered in the starting of the series. You'll find the link of the human physiology MCQs down in the description box. Now we'll start with class 12 NCERT biology from day after tomorrow. So that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you all the best. Keep working hard. Do like and share if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.